Too hot.
Stupid. Oh my god.
What up guys, welcome back to the channel. So you guys that have been staying tuned know that I've said I had a lot going on recently. So today I finally get to show you guys what I have had going on. So I'm currently moving shops. I'm leaving my shop and I'm moving into the new shop that's on 5 acres on property. Yeah, so no more driving back and forth to the shop like I've been in the past, which is super unproductive. I've been looking for a house for a while that had a shop, an acreage, and a nice house that was all kind of a package deal, so I can work and live in the same place because that's more financially smart, and also it's way more productive, and also it's just way more lit in general. So we're driving there right now. I'm in my truck. We're about to be there, so I guess we're about to pull up and I'm going to show you guys the new place, the new compound. So all my videos, you're going to be seeing them here now. This is the new spot. I still have my old shop, so there'll be a couple videos still there, but I'm transitioning right now. So pretty soon here, the whole channel is going to be out here, and we already got a lot going on. We already painted the walls. We already put new LED lights all in there. A whole bunch of stuff. The shop's looking sick, and also we already got the Kubota out here, and we're setting up a pit bike track. All types of sick stuff, because if you guys that follow me, you know I ride bikes a lot. And all types of stuff. So we're pulling up now, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. All right, guys, we're here. This is the new compound. Look at Matthews is already out there on the pit bikes ripping. Yo, what up? Look at him ripping around. Look at, there he is. There's Evan. So they're already out here. They're working on the property. We just mowed the whole place. We're cleaning up a little bit. They're out here ripping. We just made a pit bike track. All types of stuff. So this is it. Here's the house. And it's on 5 acres, like I said, and here's the shop. So I don't know where to start first. I guess let's pull up and hop out, and I'll show you guys around. Actually, no, I'm just gonna drive around. F it. So there's the shop. We're gonna go in there in a second. I'll show you what's up with there. I got my Jeep out front, chilling. If you guys don't know, I rebuilt that a while back. But let's see what's going on back here. Look how much room's out here. We got so much room for activities. Yo, hit that berm! So here's the pit bike track we just made. We got a little double right here. I'm about to hit that. No one's hit it yet. We just built it. But I'm about to pull up and I'm about to hit this shit. So then we got the Kubota over here, my boy, digging some dirt. I think we're making a little shooting berm. We all riding around. Look at Matthew's about to pull up. Ripping the pit bikes already. We've only been here for like a week, and we already got the track set up. We got the shop set up. All types of stuff. So about to hop out, show you guys what's up. Our truck's on stock wheels, by the way. I'm about to lift it, so it's currently on stock wheels. Are you gonna hit that or what? I'm about to hit it. Have you hit it already? No, I haven't hit it. We just built it. Look at this. Look at this lip. Damn, dude, that's kind of a big jump. I'm not trying to hit that thing first. Look how steep that is. Evan ain't hitting it. Hell no, he ain't hitting it. Who's gonna be the first one to hit it?
Let me get that. You hit this.
You want me to hit it right now?
I'm not trying to hit it first.
Off rip.
Yeah.
I don't know. Is it bogging?
It's running good. The choke's out. It's slow though.
I'm gonna ride this one.
Yeah, I'll take the black one.
We got the KLX 110s out here. They got the L's. They got the clutches and everything. But yeah, we just built this jump, and I guess I'm about to send it. I don't know. I haven't hit it yet. We literally just built it with the Kubota. It's kind of crazy, but I guess I'm gonna hit this. What if I wreck?
Hey, camera. You're gonna have to post that no matter what, for sure.
Yo, I came in too hot.
Stupid. Bro, you think you can even go fast enough to hit it?
Oh, that's a big jump.
I know. I don't know. Hey, hit it on the straightaway first. Like, don't hit. I don't know. Don't hit the. That's right off.
Has he hit it yet?
That's right after the berm. I'm not sure why it's that big.
Where is this before? No. Here, hold this. Let me level it out.
Over.
Yo, that was mad easy. That was lit. How high did I get?
Bro.
That was lit. That jump's fun, bro. We need to make it bigger. Yeah. We're gonna keep making it bigger and bigger.
It's gonna end up being out here.
That bitch is big. Right now, bro, I don't know. It looks small on camera, probably, but that's just honestly kind of big. It's honestly fun. We're not even landing on the landing. I'm just gonna baby. All right, come on. Hey, let's show them the shop. Here, hop on the pit bike. All right, guys. So this is the new shop. It's definitely a lot smaller than we had before, but we only need to. Having issues out here. It's a little bit smaller than before, but it's plenty to do work on, like one car at a time. We also got our bikes in here chilling. But I don't know, it's pretty good. It's like 1,000 square foot, and also we got this little office on that side. So we got a lot of room in here. I got my wheels in there. I can't give you too much of a sneak peek of those. Those are going on my truck soon. But yeah, it's pretty sick in here. We put the lights in. We put 6 of these LED lights in, and it's crazy bright. So we got this shop. Then also we have a pole barn out back, so I'm gonna show you guys that. All right, so this is the house. This is the whole property. We got a big driveway. Got the house chilling. Pretty good sized house. It's pretty dope. I mean, it's not the nicest in the world, but still pretty nice. I mean, it does its job. The main thing's the property and the shops. So then we also got this. This is a pole barn out here. There's stuff everywhere because we were working on it, but we just installed some lights last night. We still got a couple more we gotta do tonight, but it's coming along. It'll be done soon. So we got a lot going on. We got the Kubota going on, we got the lawnmower going on. All the friends are working hard right now, making this place look dope, because I mean, it's kind of like the new compound and all that. But here's the pole barn, it's pretty dope. Here's the light right here. See, these are the LEDs, same LEDs I put in the shop. We're gonna put 6 of them in here, we put 3 here, 3 here, so we're gonna have this all lit up. I'm probably gonna park the Hellcat, my Corvette in here. We're gonna make a little bit of a run up right here so I can drive up. So I'm under coverage, and then we're gonna have that all opened up to work on stuff. But we're still, like I said, we only been here for like a week, so this is all new to me. But it's coming along nice, but I guess let's go over here and see what we got going on over here. Got a little tiki bar. Got the pit bikes out. Of course, you gotta have the pit bikes out. Ripping. Yo, so what do you think I should put under here? We got this little tiki bar in the middle of the shops behind the house. I was thinking like a hot tub or maybe like a bar area. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Drop a comment. Let me know what I should put in there. Make something dope in there. But it's coming along. We're gonna clear all these trees still. We don't like all these bushes. We're gonna clear that today. We want to clear those. We want to clear that, but we're gonna do one thing at a time. We're gonna clean this up as a little chicken coop area. Might get some chickens. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. But we're kind of working hard right now. Like we got Matthews on the lawnmower over there. But it's coming together. Got the fire going, but yeah, let's see what's going on. Let's get someone to hit this jump. The hell, yo, do some donuts. Let's see what you got. Don't hit the jump. Yo, what happened to your eye?
Wait, replay.
What happened to your eye?
Replay what happened. I was filming on this camera before RYC, so we're gonna replay that now.
Oh, I don't think I have. I think I deleted it.
No!
Yeah.
Bro,
I should have saved it. This is how I like it. This is nice.
Jump in this way.
This is like the lip I wanted.
Alright, I'm gonna learn how to do the stoppie and then wheelie, and then you're gonna put it on video. Alright. Oh god. Judah cannot see that. Judah's about to be pissed.
Alright guys, we got some major progress going on. We got this all cleared out. Look at Evan putting in work over there on the Kubota. Shout out to my friends. I got some good friends. Always helping out. We got the shed all cleaned out. It's coming along. Burning all this excess brush and stuff. Look at, they're ripping on the pit bikes right now. But look how good this looks. It's coming along. Getting this all cleared out. But I'm about to rip this pit bike, to be honest. Alright guys, so Marcus just got here. He's about to hit the jump for the first time. Oh, he did it! Look at, we got this all cleared. It's looking good. We got the mallows on the stick. This is the living I like to have. Got some nasty wood in here. It's like a freaking party out here. Hey, hit the jump! Hit the jump. Let's go. Oh, he's gonna do it. Oh. Okay. Okay. Cleared it. We need to make this thing bigger. Alright guys, so that's gonna be a wrap for this video. I hope you guys like the new compound. I'm in the shop right now. We get the bikes all lined up. So the Hellkeezy, I just dropped it off at my buddy's shop. I'm working on it, so the next video is gonna be on that. But once it's all done, it's gonna be sitting right in here. So this is gonna be the new workshop. When I get a new build, that's where I'm gonna be working on it right here. So these lights are crazy bright, by the way. But look guys, so what we did today, I also added a little bit of dirt right here. So when I pull in the cars, we don't bottom out, we don't hit the lip or anything. So progress. So there's a lot of progress going on. The compound's coming together sick. So stay tuned for the next video because the content's only gonna get better and better and better. So I'll catch you guys later. And if you guys wanna cop some merch, I'll leave the description below. Get yourself a hat or something. So I'll catch you guys later. Appreciate you guys watching. Peace.